Today, we're going to discuss the 5 Shopify apps that can significantly change the trajectory of your Shopify store. Let's jump into it. In my experience, working with dozens of CPG brands, these 5 core applications are the largest revenue generators of any other applications on their Shopify stores. So let's jump into the first application and how you can start to grow your business. So the first application is going to utilize email marketing, which is always the #1 revenue generator for every single one of my clients. And when I recommend software on Shopify for email marketing, I always recommend Seguno. Unlike platforms like Klaviyo, with Seguno, you can create automations with their pre-built templates and get running within a day. This includes pre-built templates for things such as customer tags, products purchased, first-time purchaser, lapsed purchaser, abandoned cart. The sky's the limit. With these pre-built templates, you can create 4, 5, 6 automations within a single day. This is why I find it so important that you pick a platform like Seguno so that you can get started with automations and campaigns in your first week. Moreover, just like with automations, campaign creation is quick and simple. You can either utilize pre-built templates or create your own template quickly and easily. You can automatically pull in products directly from your Shopify store and even create unique coupon codes just by creating a coupon code in Seguno. So overall, email marketing is going to be one of your top revenue generators, and you're going to be able to get started quickly and easily with campaigns and automations by utilizing Seguno. The second application that I recommend for every single one of my clients is Postscript. SMS marketing is a great way to increase engagement with your audience. And with Postscript, just like Seguno, you can get started quickly and easily creating segments, creating campaigns, and creating automations. Postscript has a bunch of built-in templates that'll get you up and running as quickly as possible. You can also easily create segments based on their pre-built segments so that you can really narrow down exactly who you're sending an SMS to and tailor that message directly for them. In my experience, by creating these specific campaigns, these specific segments, and also creating a bunch of automations, SMS marketing has become the second largest revenue generator for every one of my clients. So be sure to look into Postscript and see exactly how quickly and easily you can start leveraging SMS marketing to grow your sales. Our third application is Shopify Flow. And just like with SMS marketing, we're going to want to create segments on our Shopify store to be able to utilize them for retargeting on email, SMS, social media advertising, or even providing a unique experience when they're shopping on your store. With Shopify Flow, you can create automations that tag your customers based on the activity or inactivity that they take on your site. Now you can start building segments based on customer lifetime value, customer engagement, lapsed purchaser, new purchaser, changing in purchasing habits. The sky is the limit with Shopify Flow. The best part is once you create these automations, it'll automatically tag your customers based on the specifics that you create within the flow. This is a set and forget program that allows you to really narrow down your audience based on the behavior that they take on your store. Now, when you send any campaign, regardless of the platform, you're sending a message directly for that specific customer based on the activity or inactivity that they take on your site. When growing your Shopify store, it's essential that you bring in new customers. And one of the best ways to reduce your customer acquisition costs is with an affiliate program. And if you're going to run an affiliate program, UpPromote is the best application you can use on Shopify. It's quick and easy to set up. It's very user-friendly, and now you can start turning some of your customers into promoters. All you'll do is set up your campaign with the specifics on how much you want to reward your customers for promoting your brand. They'll fill out a form, and then they're provided with a unique URL or even a unique coupon code that they can share with friends, family, or followers. In my experience with affiliate programs, I've reduced customer acquisition costs by at least 50%. So if you want to introduce an affiliate program to grow your sales, I highly recommend UpPromote. Lastly, is an application that's just available for Shopify Plus users, and that's Shopify Audiences. Shopify Audiences is a sophisticated tool that allows Shopify to create a list of high-intent customers that are likely to convert on your store. It's quick and easy to get set up. It only takes about 5 clicks to create your audience. After you get set up, you can utilize these audiences on popular social advertising platforms like Meta. In my experience with Shopify Audiences, I've been able to reduce customer acquisition costs by 75 to 100%. So I highly recommend, if you're on Shopify Plus, to download this application, create some audiences, and A/B test your current new customer acquisition campaigns against these Shopify audiences and see the results that you get. And that's it. Those are the 5 applications that generate the most revenue for every Shopify store that I work with. So be sure to install Seguno for your email marketing, Postscript for SMS, utilize Shopify Flow to start creating some segments, create an affiliate program with UpPromote, and if you're on Shopify Plus, be sure to use Shopify Audiences to try to create some audiences to reduce your customer acquisition cost with social advertising. So utilize these 5 applications and go and grow your sales on your Shopify. I'll see you in the next one.